Hey guys, it's currently 4 in the morning and I'm playing with the guy who recently left and finally came back after like months. You're staring at the wall.
Huh?
You were staring at the wall.
Hi.
Are you schizophrenic? Alright. We're playing one player.
You keep stuttering.
We're playing one player.
Okay, hi.
We're playing one player. Monkey on the shelf. Anyways,
Yeah.
here we go, chat. Alright. I'm deleting this top hat.
Okay, let's just start it.
Cause I already pulled a horrendous strat on him while I'm doing pregame.
What are you deleting?
Okay, but I'm actually gonna delete the wall. Alright.
That's easy.
I hope I hope you keep on saying that. I hope you really do. Cause I know you don't like them Oh.
Ooh, I know I can't touch the wall. Wait.
You can touch me.
What?
You can touch me.
Not gonna lie, that's what my girl says to me. I'm dead ass. Okay, now we can just. You know what? I'm gonna take a risk.
This guy, dude. This guy. My hat was stolen from me, and I really am mad about it. Anyway, go back to the shelf, you little creep. How the f?
What else are you deleting?
Yo, let me just turn this down a bit. Let me just zoom this in a bit. Y'all see this too? He was right there. Nah.
What?
He can teleport. This motherfucker you teleported. You were right there and you did.
What?
Okay. Come on.
I'm gonna need to see that.
Alright, I'm deleting this. I'm deleting this, dude. I'm deleting this. So this. Oh. Deleting this and
you're deleting this right here? This?
Yes, this and this.
You can't delete two?
That's already been deleted.
Oh, that well, yeah, I already know.
Yeah, I'm deleting this next. So let's go.
Okay. Wait. So you deleted that already. You know
This. Now remember,
come on,
if you don't touch the gay wall.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not sure.
The balloons messed me up that time. Now, David, you could risk it for the biscuit. Did you just? Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, let's see. Now all you have to do is just make it to the end again. It's that simple, dude. Okay, I'm sorry for that. I did not mean to get near you. David.
What?
He doesn't know what's gonna come next. What? I'm just gonna show everybody how much of a psychopath I am towards you.
Okay, now what are you deleting next?
Well, you see here, David. I just analyzed the crap out of you. So, this entire window seal. This included.
So the window?
These included.
No, you can't delete the. You can't delete both of them.
Okay, I'll delete this one only then.
Okay.
So basically that entire wall, technically.
Hey, you tagged me.
Oh, sorry about that.
It's not fair. Look, I could just. Look, I can just do this. I could just do this stuff. Yeah, I won't reach.
You'll see. I can do that. Let's go. Alright, so do you need a briefer? Remember this?
No.
And this is also deleted. Do not touch those, or else I will be touching you.
Okay, I got that. Okay, ready? Are we starting now?
Yeah, I have hair molecule, so I need to get a haircut.
Oh my god.
He's touching the gayness! You're touching the gayness! You touched the gay wall! You touched it! Okay! Alright. Keep on trucking, man. Now, I don't know about him, but he might be an F student. Wait. You're touching gay wall. You touched the gay wall again.
Cool.
Well, David, I'm gonna let you know. No, okay. All right, this is deleted next.
Okay.
Automatically eating that.
Dude, I'm actually lasting more rounds.
Actually, no, wait, no. I delete this.
You delete that?
Yes, I delete that.
So you're saying you delete this right here?
Yes, I delete this instead of that.
You know that this will be easy though.
In fact, actually, I delete this entire wall. I delete this entire wall instead.
So you delete that instead?
Yeah.
Okay.
And little did I know this was a trap.
You
Let's
can't
go.
switch while I play, right? Okay.
So that you know.
Ooh.
Ja la la la.
I can't.
Get your.
Damn it. Okay.
That was top 10 biggest. Let's go.
You know what? I delete.
What do you delete, gang?
I'm deleting. You know what? I'm gonna delete this wall. This.
Alright, bet. Now watch me waste this entire round on doing one of my horrendous strats I did on him earlier. Okay. So this.
Okay. I delete this floor right here.
We didn't even start the round yet.
Okay, you know what?
You can delete that floor. No. I'd like a challenge.
No,
I'd
delete
like
this
a
wall
challenge.
right here. I delete this wall right here.
I bet. Here we go.
Imagine he falls. Wait, I'll be right back.
Easy. Beating David at Monkey on the Shelf Part 1. I gotta practice my long jumps. You know? He couldn't make from here to here.
Okay, can you redo that? Can you redo that? I didn't see.
Oh yeah, I need to redo that? I bet I can redo that easily!
Okay, no, right here. Start from right here, because I saw you start from...
Okay.
Here, you can start from right here.
You'll see on the playback, I'm gonna do this 2 times in a row. Now, I know you deleted that wall, and I'm not stupid. I know you deleted this, so I'm not gonna touch that.
Okay. Secondly, I'm deleting that over there.
What?
The wall, right there.
Okay. I can actually make something with this. Okay, I could actually try something.
Now go.
This might actually start getting tricky. What am I exactly going for? You might ask. What are the most trickiest routes? I know that's deleted, I'm not stupid. But one thing you didn't delete was that.
That's why I'm deleting this.
Alright.
And this is basically included because it's touching the wall. There.
I even like. Okay, hold up. I gotta check.
We could've.
Wait. Let me see if this is even possible. It is possible. Okay, I don't like
No, you know
route.
what? I'm not deleting that. I'm not deleting. You know what? Yeah, I'm deleting this, and the boxes are deleted too. Cause look, they're touching it. They're touching this.
Alright, bet. Just gonna let you know, it doesn't count if I like stayed on, but like, you know.
That's fun, yeah. No, the boxes aren't deleted.
Okay. I can actually make sense of this. I can become like you, dude. I can become like you. Don't worry. You'll
Yeah,
see what
smart.
You'll see what I mean. Well, yeah, like kind of like that. If you put it that way. A border hopper. Shit. Hold up.
You touched it.
You guys could have seen it. Yeah, I was gonna become a border hopper.
It's not that hard to do. Look. Oh shoot. Look. It's not trust. It's not that hard to do. Look.
Let me try it like this. Hold up. Ah, that's how we're supposed to do it. You gotta go from the back. That's not.
Ooh.
We're gonna need some context for that.
Just
Hold
do
on.
it like this.
Let me just.
Do it like this though. You can actually do it like this. Look. If you just.
Oh yeah. Dang it. Hold
Go
up.
like this. Look. Do it like this. Look. Go from the other side. Go down the other side. Look. Go on the other side. Go on the other side.
Okay.
No, over there.
Okay.
Look. Just do this. Oh wait. Look. I keep messing up, boy. It's like. You know what?
Wait, does that say 3 days? Oh my god, it is. 3 days, man.
Okay, come on. Okay. Wait.
Alright,
Okay, what do you
off the rip. I delete
What are you
I
doing?
delete the window seals. I delete the window seals.
So the windows?
Yes, windows are off limits.
So I can't. So you're saying I can't touch
Use
the window?
Can't use this one. Use the window seal. You know? That's completely deleted now.
You know what? I'm gonna go the same route I did earlier because I ain't trying to risk that. I'm gonna just count.
I'm tired of you.
Oh my god. Ooh, I just saved myself right there. I actually almost touched the ground.
Okay, let's see. Can you do it?
Get it, get it, get it. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it.
Tropic?
Get it, girl.
Tropic?
Get it.
Did you say tropic?
No, I said drop it.
I heard tropic. We love tropic. Tropic is my pookie. Alright, I delete this entire wall. In fact, I delete the entire ceiling, actually.
Oh.
The entire ceiling, so you can't push off the ceiling.